Right, Tesla fam, guys. Today we're going to be making sure that your little ones, stay safe in the back seat, guys. I'll show you how to actually lock the windows to prevent your children from accidentally rolling them down. I've added, an outline at the top left. You can follow along there. So first things first, hop in your Tesla and make sure you're sitting in the driver's seat. So on the touchscreen, guys, you want to go to controls. Okay, go to controls, and you want to tap on safety and security section, and then you want to look for the option that says locks. But then you want to go to window lock. So this is typically under, the child safety section. And once you find this option, window lock, what you want to do is toggle it on. Okay, simply toggle it on. And once activated, the windows in the rear seats will no longer operate from the rear seat controls. And you want to just confirm it that it's working. Just try rolling down a rear window from the back seat. It should be disabled, guys. And when you're actually ready to unlock the windows, just go back to the safety and security menu and toggle the window lock option off. This actually just restores full control to the rear passengers. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. And that's it, guys. Your Tesla is now safer for the little passengers. So go ahead, guys. Hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.